Hello everyone, myself NS Vidya working in Kekava Polytechnic Nashik. In this video, I am going to show you how to execute servlet program using Apache Tomcat server. So as we know, servlets are server-side programming. So to execute it, we need one server. So here I am going to use Apache Tomcat server. So first we will see how to install this Apache Tomcat server. So for installation, here we go to the website which is tomcat.apache.org, where different versions of Tomcat server are available. You can select any one version. So in this video I am using Tomcat 9.0. So to install the server, here either 32-bit or 64-bit Windows Service Installer file is used. So double click on this file, and whenever you click on this file, the installer file will be installed on your system and your Tomcat server installation process will be started. So once the Tomcat server is installed here, so the folder structure of this Tomcat 9.0 is: after installation, the Apache Software Foundation folder is created in a program files folder, and this Apache Software Foundation folder, it contains Tomcat 9.0, where different folders are available like bin, conf, lib, logs, temp, etc. So here we require bin as well as the lib folder. Now before going to start the servlet program and execution of your servlet program, first we will see the directory structure of any web application. So at the root level, so the application root directory is present. This directory, it contains the subdirectories like web-inf, then HTML files and other directories. Again, this web-inf directory contains the classes as well as lib directory. Also, it contains one descriptor file which is a web.xml. This classes directory, it contains the class files, and the lib directory, it contains the jar files created here. Then create one subfolder which is a web-inf. Again, inside this web-inf, create one subfolder which is a classes folder. So this folder is used to store the class files. Again, inside this web-inf folder, create one web.xml file. Now next is step number 2. Here write the source code of servlet program. So for writing the servlet code, here we import two packages. First is javax.servlet and the second package is javax.servlet.htdp. Save this file using .java extension and in the folder which is a first servlet. Now next step is step number 3. So compile the source code file. So for compilation, here we need or we required one jar file which is known as a servlet-api.jar, because the packages which is used for execution of servlets are available in this jar file. So we have to set the path of this servlet-api.jar file while compilation. The command which is used to compile the source code is javac. Here inside the classes folder we have to store the .class file. So for that purpose, here -d option is used, and the folder in which we want to store the class file, which is a web-inf/classes. Then the file name of the servlet file is given, and class path, and the path of the servlet-api.jar file is given, which is available in Tomcat 9.0/lib folder. Then the next step is create deployment descriptor file. So this is a deployment descriptor file which is your web.xml, which is created in web-inf folder. So this deployment descriptor file is used to configure the servlet parameter like servlet name, servlet class file name and the URL which is used to map with the servlet file. So here this web dash app is the tag which is a root tag, and this tag contains the another tags like servlet, servlet name, servlet class, servlet mapping and the URL pattern. And the step number 5 is start the server. Once the deployment descriptor file is modified or it is created, then the next step is we have to start the server. So double click on the file which is tomcat9w.exe available in the Tomcat 9.0 folder. Once we click on this file, so this window will be appear. Here the start, stop, pause and restart buttons are available. Initially the server is stop, and here we have to start the server, so click on the start button. Once we click on the start button, the server will be started. Then the step number 6 is run servlet application. So here we can use any browser. So open the browser and type the command which is http://localhost:8080, where 8080 is the port number which is used for Tomcat server. Then the web application folder name which is the first servlet / servlet file name. If the index.html file is created, so we have to execute that HTML file while executing the web application. So in that case we can enter the command like http://localhost:8080/first servlet. So these are the total steps to execute this servlet program using Apache Tomcat. Thank you.